Don't worry about it. It's okay. We've all been here. We've all done that. We have joined eXp and we have lost track, or we've been at eXp for a while and we've forgotten how and where to access all of the incredible tools, systems, resources, and tech available to us. So that is why I'm here to help. My name is Barry Pulver, owner of the exceptional brand and the exceptional network powered by eXp, the most productive real estate team on the planet. Thankfully, we have the incredible back-end support at our fingertips. That is why today live, I am sharing my screen and I am going to share with you how to access everything you need at eXp right now in your business through the OKTA login. As you can see, I have gone to the My eXp app, or in this case, the website, my.exprealty.com. As you can see, I'm sure it looks familiar to you. On the left-hand side of the toolbar, click on Tools. That will open up this page where you can see a lot of things you can access, from the ability to access our discounted healthcare, shares, successor forms. We are simply going to go to the top underneath where it says View and access your eXp apps, which opens up, voila, the eXp OKTA login, where all of your apps are here. You get the ability to customize a couple of things. You get notifications when things are updated. Last login was 29 minutes ago. You can create your own section and add your own apps in there if you want just one area, one portal to go to. So I've created Barry specifics. Now, I'm going to share with you a couple of these in a bit more detail, but we're going to keep it short, crisp, and to the point, because this is where you can access everything. Here in the US, and it's going to be customized specifically to you, let me add as well. So as a US-based real estate agent that is part of the luxury division, new homes division, sports and entertainment division, those are some of the apps that I am going to see that you may not have available to you. US Agent Center, you need help, you have help here. 24 hours, by the way, you can do the live chat, phone number, you can see the office hours, a QR code. Into more specifics, access to everything you need: enterprise, marketing, university, Regis, SkySlope, Hub, healthcare. You can explore, have your onboarding help, you can have your event calendar, and you can even hear from Davidson, North Carolina, be very specific in the state and the help you are requiring. I am, again, always in Davidson, North Carolina. I can look at all of our incredible brokers. Look, the best team here we have in America, and I can access all of the anything I need, the upcoming training, recording training, it is all here, and I've accessed it through here. You'll see a little trick to get to the exp.world virtual office is upcoming as well. If you need a reference guide of just how that works, because it's new technology and I never played The Sims when I was young, you can access it right here. The brand store, if you want to buy some branded merchandise, have at it. Deposit link of how you can get paid. If you want to boost your lead generation in a paid, typically pay-per-click avenue, check out Making It Rain. It is fairly inexpensive and it can go up in cost, but it is a way to generate your business now, quickly, effectively making it rain. Productivity leaderboard, those of us at the top are always productive and competitive. So if you want to know from where you stand or your partner stand on a sales aspect, from an attraction standpoint, it's right here. Again, for me personally, the eXp luxury dashboard, express offers. One thing I highly recommend you do, and you do it now. If you're looking to increase your listings, if you want to go to a potential listing, a potential seller, and say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Seller, I potentially have a cash offer for you as I'm walking in the door, express offers will do that. If you need some signs, collateral, marketing, build a sign, the eXp discounted link is here. So there are very frequently and regular discounts. Right now, as I record this demo live, it's a 60% off store-wide. Build a sign is here. If you want a free digital business card, then you can use our preferred partners at Real Grader. Click on here and you can do it instantaneously at no cost. Referral platform, we are an international company. Referrals, a lot of referrals go on all around the world all the time. Make sure you have your profile set up on the eXp global referral platform system now and see if there's any business there to be had. If you have a listing coming on the market, if you have an office exclusive listing here in the US, you can use Zenlist to put that to get some added exposure. We are massive on AI. If you want to learn what to do, eXp Global ChatGPT agent is here to help you. Ironically, we're going to go full circle. How we got onto this OKTA dashboard is through the My eXp app. Website, to be more specific, you can access that website right here as well. For all of your marketing, wherever you are in the world, you have the top of the line Canva account here with eXp for you personally for free. Grow your business, grow your brand, all of this. Use the thousands of templates, the tens of thousands of templates, real estate wise, probably. You can use the Canva online access through that link. Cheat again to get to the exp.world offices. Now, if you want help from a growth resource standpoint, right here, if you want to get a call on the growth team, if you want to help on that side of things, you click that button. eXp Toolkits, one of my favorites, takes you to the landing page of every single eXp toolkit available for you and your business. If you want that state-specific guide, you can get back to where we came here. If you want to know more about how to be the best marketer and have the best brand possible, check out the toolkit. If you want to work with more buyers, let's check out the toolkit. The same, obviously, for the listing side too. You can download the consumer choice form, a bunch of shareables, information, sharing how to share your value, forms, one-pages, scripts, an executive masterclass on how to grow your business, case studies, help, support, a roadmap you can use personally and customize for your business, everything you could ever need. Create even your own buyer presentation. Everything's here. Stay compliant. Everything you can need is here on the toolkit. And this is how you check it out. The same goes with Canva. The same goes with how to get paid on that day. The commercial division, how you can grow your commercial business, how you can attract for your own revenue share. The eXp Hub, which we're going to get to soon, which is tremendous. The Icon Award. Any single thing you need in your business is right here on the eXp Toolkits, and access to it is right here. Now, another thing that not many people are aware of, every time I go to the eXp Con here in the US, I share this because I'm a big fan. My Success Plus. Chances are you get this Success magazine directly shipped or put in your front door every edition. Great read. If you're not reading it, please do. Now, one of my personal favorites. So in real estate, we're salespeople. Some of us feel we are just marketers. Some of us feel we're just in customer service. The answer is probably yes to all of the above. The differentiator in real estate, let alone the personal brand and the accountability, self and through mentorship and support as well, it's here. To run your own business, anywhere in the world, in real estate, an estate agency, and property, it's an entrepreneur mindset. It's an entrepreneurial battle and challenge. And we love a good challenge, those of us at the top. Success comes with what is in here and effectively comes out of here. So Jim Rohn, one of my personal favorite when it comes to business gurus, entrepreneurs, you can effectively learn from the best, or some of the best in all time through My Success here. There's a resource library. There are courses you can take, some of which is paid, some of it is free. You can access the magazines all here, and you can learn. You can take your disc profile, you can do the courses, you listen to the podcast, whatever. You can always shop. Anyway, you can always shop. But you can begin courses from some of the most brilliant minds in the sales and business and entrepreneurial space, and it does not have to cost you any additional money. MySuccessPlus.com, part of the benefit of being an agent here with eXp, massively underutilized but hugely optimized. Check it out. Now, Bold Trail is my CRM of choice. I have direct access to that here too. If you need to chat internally with eXp's AI, which is always a knowledge base and foundation of everything that's always plugged in from the eXp and real estate side, you can access Mira, which is eXp's AI right here. SkySlope transaction management system, US and Canadian based training, of course, absolutely tremendous, top notch, top of the line and huge. You can look at all of it, the training parts of particular ones. If you want it to be international, you can check it out. From the best, the Icon agents, you can see what's happening, live training. If you want leads, if you want to sign up for leads for free, can't say for free because eXp pays for them, but if you want 90% seller leads that come and you're learning from the best in our industry, sign up for FastCAP, and you will get those just by signing up, being present as well. Marketplace, if you want to, again, buy more stuff. Slack is disappearing. If you want to check your agent stock plan, because congratulations, shareholder of AGNT is the ticker, but you are a shareholder of this massive and your massive real estate company. Every year when you have your first deal at eXp, you acquire more shares just from doing what you do anyway. And there's, of course, other ways. That $16,000 cap here in the US that you pay to the company on the 80-20 split. Congratulations, Icon Agent. You don't pay a thing. But $16,000 in the cap you get back by way of shares in AGNT eXp by fulfilling a couple of great things, giving back and doing what you do from the production level. Express stocks, you have access to different documents. Agent services. Another great link here. Whatever you need, you can see more access to the toolkits, the global referral data, Home Hunter and Lyvve, two incredible platforms that we're not very familiar with here at eXp in the US. Did you know your listing can and will get displayed and shared around the world, which other companies can't necessarily say? There's an integration as well, but effectively, if you want to learn more about the platform, that's where to go. But this is our own website. This is in beta right now, but you can see here locally from where I am in Davidson, North Carolina, these properties are currently being marketed around the world. I'll bet you money that their homeowners probably are not aware of that too. And you can be very specific. You can search for properties anywhere in the world, from London, Kentucky to London, England. And you can see places in Portugal and everywhere else as we can go and see the map. And as this gets integrated into more of our international markets, you will see all of this opportunity you have as a listing agent and you potentially have as a buyer agent to share with your agents too. So all of this is here. LearnWorks, everything from Regis. So regardless of where you are around the world here with eXp, you get access to the over 2,000 Regis offices and you can use their business center without having to pay a penny. So you may be traveling. You may just live near one. Where I'm in Davidson, North Carolina, within about 2 miles actually to be exact, I can tell you 2 different Regis offices in different areas. I can go there, I can show my eXp Regis card and I can work from there. I can meet clients from there. I mean, if you need a place to go and you don't want to work from home, you don't have an office, you can use that for free. Check it out here, how you get your card and how you can access it. Video library, you can learn from some of the best in the world about every single aspect of real estate too. New homes, again, being part of that division. Commercial Advisory Center 2, again, another way to check your shares you have access to at eXp if they're vested or if you can take them right now. And then the eXp Hub platform. Funny story, when we launched internationally, when I got the pleasure of taking in eXp International, was a couple of months, who knew, before COVID would shut the world down. We used Workplace at that point, which was created by Meta. It looked like Facebook, but it was purely on the business side for an organization. We used it at eXp. To be honest, and to be very candid, it was a very large part of our success, international and even domestically at eXp. We loved the platform. It was tremendous. It was fantastic. Meta shut it down because it wasn't making quite enough money. We went to Slack. Everybody makes mistakes. And now, the founder of eXp, Glenn Sanford, thought, okay, Workplace was tremendous. Slack is not. We have the likes of Lyvve. So for me personally, our organization created a real estate studio, an entire social media and marketing suite for all of our agents. The exceptionalnetwork.com, the same. It has everything any agent could ever need. And I've also created barrypulver.com for anyone looking at eXp and to grow their business and find out how we do things. So Glenn used Lyvve the same way that I personally use those, created those websites through Lyvve and created our own ever-evolving own technology called the Hub, hub.exprealty.com, and of course the app on your phone too. So the last thing I wanted to share is how you can access the Hub. You can message anybody within our company. We're an open book. Notifications on particular groups you're part of. You can check out all the groups. Some are going to be private, but the majority of them are open. So for our Australian agents, you can come in here, North Carolina agents, mentors, US, all of it, and anything that happens here. This is our own internal tool, and you can access it. Another way to access it is through that dashboard. So sometimes the technology doesn't exist. You create it yourself, and now we created it, and we have access to this, and you can access it through right here. So again, we have at eXp a lot of tools, some incredible technology, but sometimes it can be overwhelming to find out where to start. We go back to the beginning. We go onto the My eXp app or website, as we can see here. We go to the tools section. We click on View and access your eXp apps, learn more. It takes us right here. Don't be overwhelmed. Do be grateful and do be a little curious, but everything you could ever need is right here. My name is Barry Pulver. If I can be of any assistance, I will help you out. Otherwise, take a deep breath, dive in, use the tools, grow your business, and do it to the best way possible. Thank you.